In the fertile fields of the United States, a new movement emerged, a revolution of a different kind. This was not a battle for power or freedom, but a fight for the very essence of life, the soil. The year was 1940, and organic farming was about to change the world. Farmers like J.I. Rodale, a magazine publisher turned soil crusader, led the charge. They questioned the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, arguing that they were harmful to both the land and the people who depended on it. Rodale's vision was simple: to cultivate food the way nature intended, without synthetic substances. The conventional farming community scoffed at this idea. They saw it as a step back into the Dark Ages, a rejection of the advances that had made farming more efficient and profitable. But Rodale and his followers were undeterred. They believed in a future where food was grown naturally, where the land was respected and nurtured, not exploited and poisoned. In 1942, Rodale published Organic Farming and Gardening, a book that would become the Bible of the organic movement. He explained the benefits of organic farming, from improved soil health to the absence of harmful residues in food. The book was a call to action, a rallying cry for those who wanted to change the way the world farmed. The organic movement faced many challenges. The government, influenced by the chemical industry, was slow to support organic farming. Consumers, accustomed to the convenience of chemically treated produce, were hesitant to embrace the organic alternative. But the movement persisted, driven by a passionate belief in a better way of farming. In the 1960s, the organic movement began to gain traction. Consumers, increasingly concerned about the health effects of pesticides, started demanding organic food. The government, sensing a shift in public opinion, began to provide more funding for organic research. The organic movement was no longer a fringe ideal, but a viable alternative to conventional farming. Today, organic farming is a global phenomenon. It is practiced in every corner of the world, from the lush fields of Europe to the arid plains of Africa. The movement that began in the fertile fields of America has transformed the way we think about food and the land. It is a testament to the power of a vision, and the determination of those who believe in a better way. The organic farming movement is a story of resilience and determination. It is a story of people who dared to challenge the status quo, who believed in a better way of farming, and who were willing to fight for it. It is a story that continues to inspire, a story that reminds us that we have the power to shape our world, one organic farm at a time.